we're gonna unboxing some the supplies from Amazon. And also, if you like my videos, like and subscribe for more. Let's get started. It's Foxy! And it's Foxy! I'm so glad Foxy came. I'm so glad Foxy came on me. Let's get her out. No one can be part of the Lankybox channel. With Foxy. Get her out. Come on, Foxy. Hi guys, I'm Foxy. Thank you for unboxing with us today. So we're so glad you all came in. Happy the game. Bye. This boxing. Hey guys. I'm Foxy, and you two guys. But Foxy, why don't you have any here? I like you. I can't believe I got Foxy. I'm so happy with it. I'm so glad this came. Aw, Foxy. Foxy is so cute. And also, look at her tag, Mommy.
What's that say?
Foxy, 1 from Lankybox.
Yeah.
Series 1, 3 and above.
For 3-year-olds and above.
Yes. Thank you guys for unboxing with us today.